Good evening to one and all present here. As we know that we are here to discuss the important and amazing topic, that is, are regional languages in India fading? Let me put my opinion on this. I think they are fading. The possible reason could be globalization and liberalization. As we know that major part of the population around the world are becoming the part of the global village, and it has become the need to learn one single language to live in this small village. And due to this, the regional languages are getting replaced by one single languages that is used around the world. And so we can say that the regional languages in India are fading.
Uh, I slightly disagree to this. As of 1982, central government has made regional languages as a compulsory language in primary and secondary schools. Every student have to learn regional languages willingly or unwillingly. Due to which, my opinion is that regional languages are not fading.
I agree with hers. All the state governments they teach their regional languages willingly and unwillingly. Apart from this, they also have their regional newspapers, news channels, which keep giving the news in their regional channels. Also, I would like to point out that when people migrate to different states in search of jobs, when they meet people from their own region, they avoid speaking in any international language and they prefer to speak to them in the regional languages. So I don't agree that regional languages are actually fading.
Actually, I agree with the Deepak. Yes, the regional language are fading out because the pressure of learning and speaking in English is so much. As we know that many of parents are being encouraged to speak their regional language. So I slightly agree with Deepak.
No, absolutely not. Regional languages are not fading out. Every community had their own languages and they are good at meaning it. Though English is a technical language, one needs to nail what professional remains professional and what personal remains personal. Do people change their language for jobs or others? It's always their mother tongue which helps them to form civility with another person in society. Because not everyone knows this English. But truly and sadly, Indians are obsessed with English culture and English language.
Yeah, that's true. But how can we say that regional languages are not fading? But well, according to a survey, there are totally more than 1600 languages in India, out of which more than 150 languages are near to extinction, and which is the highest compare rate as compared to every country in the world. In India, we can say in at least a decade, more than 20 languages get extended. So if we say that it's not fading because our government are teaching us regional language, that's not true. The languages that we learn in our school are only 1 plus 2. That's English and +2 languages, in which one language is almost Hindi in Upper India, and maybe one language will be Telugu or Tamil in South India. But English is constant, if we can assume. But other every Indian languages are getting faded away as time process.
From my point of view, regional language is not faded away in today's world. Everyone knows the regional language, and India is a country with many regional languages. But everyone cannot communicate with each other as the language barrier comes between it. For example, my friend knows Gujarati language and I know Bhojpuri language, but we cannot communicate to each other. But we know our regional language very well.
Mhm. I agree with Suraj's point. As a being resident of Maharashtra, Marathi is a regional language of Maharashtra. So if we want to go in any government jobs at any post, if we want to be a bus conductor or we have to be a railway engineer, the interview is partially taken in Marathi language. Due to which it becomes very necessary to learn Marathi language. Uh, Around 40% people are migrants in Maharashtra. So I can say that it's not like this that 40% people doesn't know the regional language because they have to learn at every stage in their schools while they are communicating with others. So, what are your view on this, Raj?
Mm, yes, I agree with Ratnesh and Deepak. Regional language in India are fading out because no one people are interested to talk their own language. If you take example, Tamil is a regional language. They are not interested to talk with Tamil. If you speak in Tamil, other people think you don't have more knowledge. If you speak English, they feel like you have more knowledge.
Also, I
Yes,
would like
I
to
agree with
say,
Raj what he said. As we know that the regional language might be useful while in a particular region, but if we go around the major part of the world, most of the people do learn international languages like English because of feeling of the awkwardness, and also we must consider the important point, that is commercial value of the regional languages. We all know that English is the languages which has the more commercial value than the regional languages, and this might be also one of the reason that India the regional languages are fading.
uh, speaking about the point that Sunan kept forward, that according to a survey, uh, a certain language, certain number of languages get extinct in a decade. I would like to say that these surveys, they are concentrated in a particular part and not the whole country. So, on the basis of some survey, we can't arrive to a decision that yes, regional languages are fading. So I don't agree with the survey point.
Yes, I also agree with Ragha's point because at our home we speak regional language. Also, in remote areas and villages, still people speak their regional languages.
Exactly, I agree with both of you. We can't say that regional language in India are fading out in the world. It depends upon the region we live in and people we interact with. In the job field, education field, and different types of field, we need to interact with people in different languages. So uh, everybody is not able to understand what we are talking. So English is the most considerable language, but that doesn't mean we don't use a regional language at our own place.
Yes, we do
I
use
would
the regional languages, but we cannot say that they are as pure as they used to be in the past. There is mixing of the English and other commercial languages in the regional languages, so they are fading.
Extending on Aditi's point, the thing is because just because people in I would say in when they are not in their hometown or when they are in different states, if they prefer to speak in international languages when they are uh, in I would say in open surroundings. So because of that, you might be getting a kind of what we can say, and thought that regional languages might be fading. But the thing is, when they are in private places or when they are in not in public places, when they where they can speak freely, they do prefer speaking in regional languages.
as Deepak said that some languages are getting mixed up. That's why it is fading. It's nothing like that. As in Mumbai, there are about 1-2 crore population, about which you can find different kinds of population which speak different languages. Due to which, if one person is learning another language, there may be some variation while he speaks. Due to which we feel that there is some mixing of the language, but that's not true.
Well, if it's not fading, then where are our
Actually,
regional
uh,
language? Let me finish. If it's not fading, then where are our regional language according to social media marketing? When we use our social media app, where do you see such regional language? At most, we will see Hindi, Marathi, or Gujarati. But speaking of our regional language, there are much more times. Even in whole country, if we compare India with some other country, we have many more languages which we also don't know. So if we only don't know the language, that means it are fading day by day. Don't you agree
So,
with that?
bro, in which
Mr.
country
Sunand,
you are living? In today's youth, Indian youths are trying to learn new languages. which means promoting the regional languages.
Mr. Sunan, I would like to discuss on your point
Actually,
that
I agree with the student. I saw that many parents are pressurize their children to learn in English or talk in when they are talking in their regional language. They are somewhere in internally ashamed on it. So I think maybe it's faded.
I disagree with your point, Ratnesh. Regional language means mother tongue, and mother means not ashamed to be.
Okay, speaking on Sunan's point, just because you can't see many any social media marketing or social media apps that if you can't see that regional languages are used, part of decision to not use the regional language is because they want to increase their profit margins, and just because they want to increase their profit margins, they avoid using various languages. So I don't think on the basis of the absence of regional languages from the social media marketing or social media apps, you can say that they are getting extinct.
But we
So
cannot
don't
say
you?
that
No, no. So
social
don't you
media is
think
a
that
major
because
part
of
which
let me
covers
finish.
the
So
languages.
don't
Yeah,
you? So don't you think that because of digital marketing, our regional language are getting faded?
I think not at all. If you visit another state, if we take Andhra Pradesh or if we take Tamil, while you have you experienced that while you are traveling in train, when you cross the state borders, the caller tune changes to that respective language. So it's not like that in India only specific three languages are used in social media, that is English, Hindi, and Marathi. But if you visit different states, their languages with respect to state also changes in that social media app, which we don't know as we are resident of Maharashtra.
Yes, I agree with her points because if you visit South India, they are proud of their languages, and everyone knows their regional language.
being
So now I
proud,
Guys,
think
being proud and livelihood are both different faces of the same coin. You might be proud of your regional languages, but to earn the bread, you must know the international languages in today's time, and that's the truth. So we should accept that.
so now
Yeah,
I think that
I agree with Deepak. I think we have to, according to me, regional language should also being given importance, acceptance, as we should not forget our own cultures and should crisis what we are.
uh, extending on Deepak's point, I do agree that to earn the bread and butter, we have to learn international languages. But that doesn't mean that the importance of our regional languages are fading. Just because we are trying to learn another language for earning bread and butter, it does not give any indication that our regional languages are fading or we are giving less respect to our regional languages.
As I said,
uh,
respect
I would
and
like to
there's a
I would like to
difference.
make one additional point on Pragat, that the English language is expanding so much because of the company, because of globalization. I would say that many foreign companies are investing in India and they are opening their own companies, due to which we have to learn English to take what I can say that if we want to uh, if we want job in many multinational companies, we have to learn English. But if we say that our regional language is fading because of that, it's not.
Guys, I would like to point out that we have already exceeded the time limit for our group discussion, and I think we should start arriving at a consensus.
Well, I would like to add a point before we conclude. So languages like Sanskrit are nearly gone from the Indian market. And if you consider a major language like Marathi in Maharashtra, Gujarati in Gujarat, and Tamil in Tamil Nadu, these are major languages. But in our Indian regional languages, as the census says, there are more than 1600 languages. No one can taught you 1600 languages. If we going to compare with our digital market, you will find only hardly 30 languages in uh, most of rare social media app. So if we think that India consists only of 20 languages, you can't be true, because there are more than languages that we can't count. It takes nearly months and months to at least count a language and make a data that how many languages we have lost this year. If you say that conserving few higher language will conserve India's regional language, it's not true. Many more Indian languages are nearly extincted because it's not making its time with money. Uh, the only reason that we can make that it's not fading, that India's major language like Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, these are language which we can say are not getting extinct because they have made its name in digital marketing. But other languages, I think it will fade in nearly about 10 to 20 years.
Yes, as a solution to this, we can say that, and as we know that all the languages in India are mostly derived from the Sanskrit. So there is a need to turn toward the Sanskritized language, not exactly Sanskrit, but the languages that relate from Sanskrit. So if we do that, then there can be the possibility of using one single language for our country, and Sanskrit is included in most of the language, so it might not be problematic for most of the people to speak it.
I agree with Deepak's point.
Yeah, me too.
I also agree with Deepak.
Okay, so I would like to finish this discussion with an uh, grateful. I would like to say that we are very grateful to have this discussion on this topic, and it was really an amazing topic for discussion, and we gain many important information which we didn't knew. So I would like to finish this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.